It is common that users of Red Hat Insights want to get notified of the events that Insights detects and other tools that you already use in your daily workflow. My name is John Spinks, Senior Principal Technical Marketing Manager for Red Hat Insights, and I'm going to show you how to set up PagerDuty and the Hybrid Cloud Console to send alerts detected by Insights to PagerDuty. This integration needs to be configured both in PagerDuty and in the Hybrid Cloud Console. First, in PagerDuty, you need to create an API v2 service that will create an integration key. Once you have that key, in the Red Hat Hybrid Cloud Console, you will set up an integration and notification settings, which use the PagerDuty integration key to send alerts via the API. Let's go into PagerDuty and show you how this works. I'm already logged into PagerDuty here. I'm going to click Services and then New Service. For my new service, I need to provide it a name as well as an optional description and click Next. You need to assign an escalation policy. This can be an existing policy or you can generate a new one. With a new one, you'll need to identify which team gets the alert. By default, alerts are grouped intelligently. You can change these settings to better suit your needs. I'm going to leave it as the defaults. Further down the page, you have transient alert options. Make your selections and click Next. You need the Events API v2 integration, so select that, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click Create Service. Once your service is created, notice on the right-hand side of the page, you have an integration key. That is the information that you will need to complete this integration on the Hybrid Cloud Console side. So locate and click that copy button, which will copy the key to your clipboard. Let's now move on over to the Hybrid Cloud Console to set up the integration on that side. This activity requires a user in the Hybrid Cloud Console that has the Notifications Administrator role. An organization administrator will have this permission by default, but other users will need to be assigned this role. In the upper right-hand corner, click the gear, which is your settings, and then click Integrations. Select Reporting and Automation, and lower on the page, click the Add Integration button. From here, select PagerDuty and click Next. First, we'll name the integration, and then paste that integration key we got from PagerDuty. And then you'll want to select an alert severity. If you want multiple alert severities for different types of alerts, then you will want multiple integrations. I'm going to start by using an alert severity of warning, but again, you may want multiple integrations here. Click Next. Review your settings and click Submit. Here on this integration page, you'll see your PagerDuty integration that you've added. With the integration created, we need to go into the notification setting and configure our events. We're already in Relevance, so select Behavior Groups, and then we'll create a new group. Name your behavior group, click Next. Under Actions, select the integration for PagerDuty that you just created, and then select the recipient type of PagerDuty. If you had created multiple severity levels, you would see those listed here. We just created that one single integration with warning severity, but you could also have an info or a critical severity listed here, and you would want to click the appropriate severity level. Click Next, and then I'm just going to select all event types in this instance. Again, if you had multiple severity levels and you wanted a different severity level for each event, this is where you would select that information. Click Next, view your settings, and click Finish. Now you have this new group. We'll return to our integration under Reporting and Automation, and we'll select the three dots next to PagerDuty and Test. Click Send. This has sent an test integration over to PagerDuty. We can click in the event log, scroll up to the top, and we'll see that this was successful. Let's do that again. Return to Integrations, Then we'll select Reporting and Automation, scroll down the page, and click the three dots to the right of PagerDuty and click Test. Click Send to create the test message and view the event log. We now see two entries for the integration test, and over on PagerDuty, we now have an open incident. If we select this incident, there's only one incident being reported because those two incidents were intelligently grouped together. They occurred within 5 minutes of each other, so you now see those under alerts under a single grouping. We can select this alert and resolve it because we know that it's just a test event. This shows how we can send an alert from the Hybrid Cloud Console to PagerDuty.